Oh, good morning. I'm Sylvia, the crafty old lady. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you're happy, well, healthy, and safe. And I did this collage the other day, and I decided that you can barely see the cardinal in there. It's very, just kind of not very visible. So I decided I would cover it up with this one. This is a cardinal and a bunch of pink flowers, and it's hard to see it. So I'm going to put this right on top of it, like that. And I think that would look better. In my opinion, it shows up better. And so that we're going to do that. And then I also found... oh, now it's going to be wrinkly. I found this little sticker book that I've had for years of hummingbirds, and I thought maybe it would be cute to put a couple of hummingbird stickers, like this one maybe, except that it's going to be white around the edges. So, yeah, I don't know if that's, I don't know. I guess that looks okay. Put that on there like that. I kind of feel like I want to cut the white edges off. See if we got another one. About this one. Let's see if I can cut the edges off of this one. And see if that would look better. That's the only thing I don't like about certain stickers. It's the white edges all around them. Oops. I have some other stickers that don't have white edges, but they're like kind of clear, so they wouldn't work either. Don't go on there. This is going to be a short video because I'm just adding to this one, that's all. I hope you're having a great spring so far. It's almost summer now, actually. Like next week it'll be summer. We are hoping that all our kids can come for, well, not all of them, but the nearby ones can come for a barbecue. Let's put him, he's kind of too much that color. Oh, I see something I want to cut out. Let's see how that works out. Better. Just put him right there. I wonder if I can get this one off. Oh, I can. Let's try to cut this one out. But I'm going to move this so it doesn't fall on there. So do you have plans for the weekend? It's Friday as I'm filming this. It's going to be next weekend. Our grandson's coming up for a few days. And then it's going to be a bunch of birthdays in June and July. Let's see, in June, my son and my niece's son have the same birthday. And then July, we have a July 3rd, a July 10th, a July 11th, and a July 20th birthday. And then when my dad was alive, he was July 26th. So that was a lot of July birthdays, although the younger ones weren't even born yet when my dad was still alive. Alright, that's much better, I think. We'll put that right like that. There we go. And maybe we'll do... Oh, I think I missed a spot. No, that's the flower. Okay. Let's do one more that's kind of colorful. Most of them are green. And kind of... This one's not too bad. Kind of blue and green. Oh, well, we could maybe put this one right like down here. Let's see. I hear my birds. I think they're getting hungry. We had a pigeon the other day come in, and he had like white, he was dark gray, but had white feathers in its tail. And we've had 2 grackles that have come in that have, one has a white tail feather, and another one has like a white collar of feathers, and they are not supposed to have any white at all. And I looked it up, and it's a thing that they can get from injuries, or sometimes they're born with it, where there's like no pigment in the feathers. So I'm wondering, it seems like a lot for 1 yard to get all these white feathered birds. Strange. Okay, we could put this one. They do like their jewel weed. Let's put him down by the jewel weed. But then I'm covering up the rainbow. So there. Alright, I think we're finally done with this. I like the addition of the hummingbirds, even though they're a little bit difficult to see. And I definitely like that I changed that. So thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.